Hello, it's Big Cheds, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Cheds Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to look at a quote from my third book, Trading Quotes. You can see it right here. Let's pull it up. And this is essentially about testing your fundamental analysis theory and managing your risk. So, without careful risk management, your portfolio will not survive long enough to learn if your fundamental analysis theory is worth the paper it was written on. So, there's a big debate, of course, right? Is it fundamentals that matter? Is it technical analysis that matters? Well, my whole thing is this. If you have a really strong conviction about what the price should be based on some fundamental analysis, based on some very careful look at balance sheets and product lines and market overview, you have to know, when's that idea going to fail? How can I define when this idea is wrong? It doesn't matter how strongly you believe in what the price should be. At some point, there has to be a level where you say, okay, that idea was wrong, and I'm going to take back whatever remaining funds I have available, right? Fundamental analysis, people think it's the information outside of the chart, right? They think that the price should be this because of balance sheets and other things like that. The market is wrong, right? The price should be a certain thing. But you will not survive the wild price swings, even if you might be right in the long run. If you're using leverage, you could very easily be liquidated. It could be a long time before you're found that you're right, and maybe you're eventually down 80, 90% before that. You could very easily pull your funds, protect your funds, and find better opportunities. So you want to be careful because volatility will test you, because liquidations will come. And it doesn't matter how good your theory is. It doesn't matter how much you think you've got it figured out. You have to manage your risk. You have to define your risk and practice careful, risk management and protecting your funds. So even if you really believe in your idea, pay really close attention when price breaks support or resistance and it goes against your idea. And adjust your risk. Adjust your plan accordingly. You have to have careful risk management, or else you won't even survive long enough to know if your fundamental theory is right. This is one of the favorite quotes from my third book, Trading Quotes, and this is part of the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Cheds Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Thank you. Thank you, folks. I really appreciate you. I'll talk to you soon. Big Cheds out.